Hey, how you doing? Welcome, and this is Ian Hart from Pain Relief4Life.com, and I'm here at my studio, and right now we're just going to talk to you about short-term versus long-term benefits for your back. So a lot of people want to get short-term relief, but that's not fixing the problem, so it's creating the pain cycle, and the pain cycle becomes never-ending. So short-term relief, more pain. Again, short-term relief, more pain, and actually some of these things in here that you're using can actually create more pain later on. So we're going to go over what long-term is, but first, short-term things are things like medication. So that can actually create more pain later on, especially if you feel better and you get off the medication. What it does is dull your nerves, and then when you get off the medication, pain is going to be actually more intense, and you're going to feel it more because you're just feeling in general more. Massage can always be good, but it's only short-term relief. Adjustments, they're adjusting your bones, but we all know that it's the muscles pulling on the bones and the muscular imbalances that's causing those movement of the bone, that's causing the movement of the bones. So adjustments can be good. Again, it's short-term relief. Inversion therapy, that's when you flip over on that mechanism that kind of allows the pressure to be coming off the spine. It's another thing that will help you then and there, but it's not going to relieve it's only going to relieve short term. The other thing is trigger point therapy, and that is again another short term thing that allows for releasing of the muscles that have like tightness or knots in it. So long-term programs is something that we push, which is back pain, the Back Pain Relief4Life program, and that program is geared towards people who want long-term relief. So if you want short-term and you only want short-term and you're open to having pain reoccurring over and over again, then those short-term things are fine, but how long are you willing to live with that pain repeating over and over again? So what we did is create a program for you that is long-term, and it eliminates back pain. So through that program, you can also get professional personal training. So as I said, muscular imbalances is the reason that your back is in pain. So you must continue with exercising and moving your body and strengthening all of your body and loosening up tight areas as well. So a personal training program can help you. Usually we start people off on the Back Pain Relief4Life program because people are in pain and their core muscles and the areas that are injured are not ready for a personal training program. So that's kind of the prerequisite. So it's a program that eliminates the pain, strengthens areas that are weak, and stretches the tight muscles. Also, one of the first and most powerful things is water. This helps flush out the toxins in your body. Every single mechanism, every single system in your body requires water to function properly. And if you're drinking things like Diet Coke or Coke and Pepsi or just coffee or something like that, it's going to build up toxins in your body. It's going to cause the nerves to inflare, and then you're going to feel more pain. And also eating healthy as well. If you're not taking enough fruits and vegetables in, your body's not going to get enough vitamins and nutrients to it, and you can't just replace that with quick vitamin. So those nerves again will inflare if you're eating things like fried food. You could be allergic to milk, gluten. They can cause your nerves to inflare, and then again more pain. Also, daily proper movement and sitting. This one is huge because if you want short-term relief, just changing, reprogramming how you move and how you sit could change everything. So these are the long-term things that you should be looking at. The other thing that we didn't put in here is stress, but that is going to be different for everybody. A lot of people with a lot of stress, that can cause back pain, and they can hold a lot of stress in their lower back, which can cause inflammation. It can cause micro trauma in the back, and those are other things, other techniques are just like meditation, relaxation techniques that are other long-term benefits. So again, short-term benefits are fine if that's what you're looking for. We focus on the long-term benefits, and we don't want people to come back with reoccurring back pain. We like to solve the problem. We call these band-aid issues. You're just putting kind of a band-aid over it, and then it comes back later on, where this is really just solving the overall issue and doesn't cause any problems later on. So look for long-term relief if you're really serious about eliminating your back pain. And you can always use these things to just help out, but you want to look for long-term relief. So eliminate your back pain for good, and then you won't have to worry about it in the future. Again, this is Ian Hart from backpainrelief4life.com, and I hope you enjoyed.